Hello friends, today our topic is the method of substitution in integration. Now before, in the two lecture videos already we have discussed what do you mean by the integration and also what are the rules of the integration. Now this topic is based on the substitution. Now, what do you mean by the substitution in normal English? Now, in language, we can say the substitution means the action of replacing something with another one. Here, integration by substitution is also called the U substitution or the reverse rule of the chain rule. Now what happens? Just according to the formula given here, that means what is f of gx, we are just differentiating g and then we are getting the result. Now that would be better if we discuss this thing using some examples. Let us first check an integration. Suppose it has been given we have to integrate cos of x square 2x dx. Now let we consider that x square is equal to u. Then if we integrate u with respect to integrate u with respect to x, then we can get the result as 2x. Then we can say du is equal to 2x of dx. Now look at the thing, that is 2x dx and that is cos x square. So if we replace the x square with u, that means we are substituting x square with u, then it is becoming like cos of u and 2x dx is equal to du. So simply we can say the result as sin u plus the integration constant, and as u is equal to x square, so we may write it as sin of x square plus c. Now let check the complete thing with that particular formula. Here we have said when that is x square, that means we are taking it as u. Now du, that means when u is equal to x square, we are getting du is equal to 2x dx. So simply we can write or substitute that 2x dx with du. So the result becomes cos du is equal to sin u plus c, or we are putting back the u is equal to x square here. So the result is sin of x square plus c. Let's check with another integration. Suppose that has been given cos x square of 6x. Let's check here, that is cos of x square into 6x into dx. Now already if we replace that x square with u, that means we may get du is equal to 2x dx. But here what has been given? Now 6x. So we may write that one as integration of cos x square into 3 into 2. That means we are writing the 6 as 3 into 2 x of dx. Now we know already that is a constant. So according to the rule of the multiplication of integration, so with a constant, then we may write that constant 3 as outside as a multiplier. So here that is becoming du, and we may write it as cos u. So the final result is here 3 into sin u plus c, or we may write it as sin of x square in place of u. So here that is the answer. Next problem. Suppose here the integration has been given x divided by x square plus 1. Now we may write it as 1 by x square plus 1 into x of dx. Now let we are substituting that x square plus 1 as u. So we may get du is equal to 2x plus 0, particularly that is becoming 2x dx. Now let's check here. Here that is given x, but for du we need 2x. So here we are multiplying 2, and also we are dividing it by 2. Let's check another thing. That one is just like that, 1 by x square plus 1. So if we are multiplying 2 here, so we are dividing it by 2 once again. That as that is a constant, we are writing it here. So that is the thing. So now that is half of 1 by x square, as x square plus 1 has been taken as u. So we are writing it as 1 by u. That one is du. Now the integration of that one thing is equal to ln mod u plus the integration constant. Now u is equal to x square plus 1. So we may write it as ln x square plus 1 plus integration constant, and that is the result. Let's forward to next problem. Here the problem has been given x plus 1 whole cube dx. Now we may solve that problem using two ways. Suppose the first way, not using any substitution method. So here we may expand the x plus 1 whole cube in the formula like a plus b whole cube. So that one is becoming x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 dx. Now using the summation rule, we may write it like that, x cube dx plus 3 is a constant, so we are keeping it as a multiplier, x square dx plus 3 of x dx and finally dx. So the result here become, that one is x to the power 4 by 4 plus 3 x cube by 3 plus 3 x square by 2 plus x plus integration constant. Now that is a lengthy process. Now if we consider it, the problem using the method of substitution, then we may consider that integration x plus 1 whole cube into 1 into dx. Now if we consider u is equal to x plus 1, then we may get du is equal to, if we differentiate that function x plus 1 with respect to x, then we may get that is dx. So du is equal to dx. So here, using method of substitution, if we transform or convert the x plus 1 to the variable u, then we may write it like u cube into du, or simply the formula of integration give us the result as u to the power 4 by 4 plus the integration constant, and as u is equal to x plus 1 whole to the power 4 divided by 4 plus integration constant, and particularly that is the same result according to here. So using substitution method, that is becoming easy. Let's check the next problem. Here the problem is integration 5x plus 2 whole to the power 7 dx. Now, as like the previous problem, when the expansion occurs a plus b whole cube, then that is very easy. We know the formula. Now, when the power is 7 here, so that means we have to use the binomial expansion. So it is better if we check the problem to solve using substitution method. So let u is equal to 5x plus 2. Then differentiating with respect to x give us 5 of dx. Sorry, 5. So the result is like du is equal to 5 of dx. Now look at the problem. Here that is 5x plus 2 whole to the power 7, only dx has been given. So we are multiplying 5 with that one, and for the result we are also dividing it by 5. So that is becoming 1 by 5 5x plus 2 whole to the power 7 of 5 dx. Now 5 dx means that is du. So we may substitute like that. So that one is u. So u to the power 7 du, and the final result 1 by 5 u to the power 8 by 8 plus integration constant. Now as u is equal to 5x plus 2, so we may write the answer like 1 by 5 5x plus 2 whole to the power 8 divided by 8 plus integration constant. So the final answer just 5 into 8 is equal to 40. So we may write it like 5x plus 2 whole to the power 8 by 40 plus integration constant. So let's check some more problems. Now here that is something different. Integration 8x minus 12 4x square minus 12x whole to the power 4. That also can be solved using method of substitution and using very easy. Just here we are writing the two functions like that. We are just changing the position of the functions. 8x minus 12 dx. Now if we consider u is equal to 4x square minus 12x, then if we differentiate u with respect to x, we get 8x minus 12. So du is equal to 8x minus 12 of dx. Now look at the thing. So if we substitute the thing from here, that one is equal to u to the power 4 du. So according to the integration formula, we are getting u to the power 5 divided by 5 plus integration constant, and u is equal to here, that is 4x square minus 12x whole to the power 5 divided by 5 plus integration constant, and just check the final answer is here. Let's check the next problem. Here integration of 3t to the power minus 4 into 2 plus 4 to the power 4 into t to the power minus 3. So once again we are writing the problem, just changing the position of the functions. Here we are considering u is equal to 2 plus 4 t to the power minus 3. So if we differentiate u with here that must be t with respect to t, that one is equal to, first one is 0 plus 4 into minus 3 t to the power minus 3 minus 1. So that means minus 12 into t to the power minus 4. So we may write du as minus 12 into t to the power minus 4 dt. But here that is has been given 3. So we may write the problem as 2 plus 4 t to the power minus 3 into 3 t to the power 4 already has been given. So here we are multiplying with minus 4 and also dividing with minus 4. So my 1 by minus 4 we are taking as a multiplier, and here that is becoming 40 whole to the power minus 3 into minus 12 t to the power minus 4 dt, and that one is du. So we may write here, that is u to the power minus 3 into, sorry, that is given whole to the power 4, sorry, minus 7 here. So that one is u to the power minus 7 into du, or the final result is just like u to the power minus 6 divided by minus 6 plus integration constant, and so the final must be here 1 by 24, as u is equal to 2 plus 40 whole to the power minus 3 plus integration constant, and the result is here. Let's check the next problem. Here that has been given, and once again we are interchanging the position of the functions to is the problem. So that is whole to the power 10 into 3 minus 4w, and that is dw. Once again we are keeping that function as u. So suppose u is equal to 4w square minus 6w plus 7, and differentiating u with respect to w, we are getting here, that is 8w minus 6 plus 0. So here that one is du is equal to 8w minus 6dw. Now check at the here, that is 3 minus 4w. So we may take minus 2 as common here. So that is becoming 3 minus 4w and dw. So du is equal to that one. So here once again we are writing the problem as integration 4w square minus 6w plus 7 whole to the power 10 into, as minus 2 is required here, so we are multiplying minus 2 and also dividing minus 2 into 3 minus 4w dw. So that one is, we are keeping minus half as a multiplier, and that is 4w square minus 6w plus 7 whole to the power 10 into minus 2 of 3 minus 4w dw. So using the variable u, here we may write as that one is u, so u to the power 10 du, and the result is 1 by 2 into u to the power 11 divided by 11 plus integration constant. As u is equal to that one, so we may get the final answer as 1 by 22 into 4 omega square minus 6w plus 7 whole to the power 11 plus integration constant c, and that is the final result here. So let's check another problem, and that one is equal to, in the same way we may consider u is equal to 4w square plus 6w minus 1. So we are getting ddw of u is equal to 8w plus 6, or du is equal to 8w plus 6dw. Now just look at the thing here, that is given 4w plus 3. So we may take common 2 from here. So that one is equal to 4w plus 3 dw. So if we consider that problem, so that one is becoming integration of 1 by 4w square plus 6w minus 1 into, as 2 has been here, so we are multiplying 2 and also dividing 2 into 4w plus 3 dw. So we are taking half as the common or as a multiplier, 1 by 4 omega square plus 6, that is w, minus 1 into 2 4w plus 3 dw, and that one is equal to half of, as that one is taken as u, 1 by u du. So the final result is 1 by 2 ln modulus of u plus integration constant. As u is equal to the function, we are replacing it with ln modulus of 4w square plus 6w minus 1 plus integration constant. Just check here, that is our result. Yet now what about the problem we have already done based on the substitution of integration, that is all are based on the algebraic equation. Now suppose here some functions has been given, those are based on the trigonometrical thing. So here that is sec 1 minus z into tan 1 minus z of dz. Now what is the thing here? Here just we are taking u as 1 minus z. So that is becoming, when we are dz ddz of u, that is minus 1, or we are getting du is equal to minus of dz. So when we are replacing the thing here, so that is given sec of 1 minus z tan of 1 minus z dz, that one is equal to sec of u into tan of u, and for dz that one is minus du. So we are keeping minus outside, so that one is sec u into tan u du. And what is the integration of sec x dx? Now that one is just nothing, sec u. So the final result is here, that is minus, that is for the minus, and that integration is sec u plus integration constant, just replacing the u with the original function of z. We are getting sec of u is equal to 1 minus z plus integration constant, and that one is the answer here. Let's check the final problem. Here that has been given 15t to the power minus 2 minus 5t, and that is cos 6t to the power minus 1 plus t square. Now that is the first one thing. So here first of all we cannot substitute that thing. So we are substituting that function with u. So we are keeping u is equal to 6t to the power minus 1 plus t square. So when we are differentiating u with respect to t, we are getting as minus 6 t to the power minus 2 plus 2t. So that is we are getting here, and we are getting also using the common as 2. So that one minus 3 t to the power minus 2 plus t, and hence du is equal to, if we once again take the common minus 1 here, so that is 2 3 t to the power minus 2 minus t dt. Now look at the problem here, that has been given 15t to the power minus 2 minus 5t. So for the problem here we are once again writing in a exchange of the function manner, that is plus just changing the position into given 15 t to the power minus 2 minus 5t. So from here we can multiply or take the common 5 from here, it would be better. So we are just taking 5 common from here, so that is becoming 3 to the power minus 2 minus 5t dt. So we are writing that 5 outside. 5 cos of 6 t to the power minus 1 plus t square into 3 t to the power minus 2 minus t here. So for the du we have minus 2 once again to be multiplied. So we are multiplying minus 2 here. So we are dividing minus 2 here. So that one become integration cos of 6 t to the power minus 1 plus t square into minus 2 into 3 to the power minus 2 minus t dt. So using the variable u, minus 5 by 2 integration of cos u and du. So that is giving us the result as sin u plus integration constant. Now using the value of u or the function of u, the result is 5 by 2 sin of 6 t to the power minus 1 plus t square plus integration constant. And that is the result. Let's check another problem, and that one is here we are considering u is equal to 1 plus 9x square. So du is equal to 18x dx. So for the problem that has been given as 3x. So we are writing this problem as 1 by 1 plus 9x square, that has been given 3x, but we have to achieve 18x. So we are multiplying by 6, dividing by 6, 3x dx, and 1 by 6 taking as multiplier, that is 1 by 1 plus 9x square 18x dx. So 1 by 6 1 by u into du, or 1 by 6 of ln mod u plus integration constant, or the final result is 1 by 6 1 plus 9x square plus integration constant, that is the result. Now proceed to the final problem for this video. Here that has been given 10 sin 2x and cos 2x, square root of cos square 2x minus 5 dx. So here, although the problem is looking very cumbersome, but that is very tricky. Just keep u as cos square 2x minus 5. So when we are differentiating u with respect to x, that means we are getting, as that is cos square 2x, so we are getting that one as cos 2 of cos 2x into minus sin 2x, and for 2x another 2. Finally the 5, that is minus 0. So that one is becoming minus 4 of cos 2x sin 2x. So du is equal to minus 4 cos 2x sine 2x dx, just here, and here that has been given 10. So when we are transforming it, getting integration, as the 4 is the required thing, we are taking the common 10 here and multiplying by minus 4. So we are dividing by minus 4, that is cos 2x sine 2x, and square root of cos square 2x minus 5 of dx. So that one is equal to minus 10 by 4 integration of square root u into du, or finally that one is becoming minus 10 by 4 as u to the power half. So that one is becoming 3 by u to the power 3 by 2 and 3 by 2 plus integration constant, or minus 10 by 4 into 2 by 3 into u to the power 3 by 2 plus integration constant, or here that is minus 5 by 3 for u, that is cos square 2x minus 5 whole to the power 3 by 2 plus integration constant, and just let's check the final answer. That one is here.